Right now, we're trying to do ship out ticket for export. So first thing, you can also reference back to the SOP and ROM besides this video. So first thing we do is to go to Scout Hopper, Scout Management, Scout Hopper, click ship out, new dealer Scout ticket. And then I always use 21st as a dummy. So, and then next button, you click shipping outbound scale weight. And then make the ticket shipment weight only, the green button. And then next, it will ask you what material that is. You can just click the correct one, of course, based on your booking information, which the booking information could be fine from logistic, and they will send out this weekly shipping information or whenever that's updated. So be sure to check your email for this most updated version, and that's how it should be looking like. Like right now I'm recording on March 17th, so I will go here and look at this. And I just said understand that everything is 304 solid, everything is under this one booking. Sometimes we have multiple one. For example, like yesterday, Thursday, we have this 4 different booking. So you have to be very careful and select the correct one. And also pick the corresponding material. So let's say today it's 304. Just click 304 solid. The window pops out because I didn't have a PO for that, but normally we have an order for actual ship out. And since we're getting the truck coming in, it means it's lightweight because there's nothing inside. So you just need to click the S button, and then that's going to be a window popping out, just like the picture here. You click the S button, and then this window it's going to pop out, and you need to click for the truck weight, and then click it to record the weight for that. And after that, you go to the More Info tab on top, and then you will need to click here to select the corresponding PO. We don't have that information here showing, but normally we have a full version, or once you click that, it's going to be a list of PO for you to pick out. Just like what I have here. It will automatically populate, or you just need to select the correct PO. The questions sometimes from the workers, like how do they know which PO if they have more than one? Always, if you have any questions, circle back to logistic. Circle back to the logistic person, pick up the phone and dial 103 for logistic questions. And then next, you need to select the booking and also key in the container information, which is going to the top button right here, more container booking detail information. We click that. It's going to pop up a window, and you need to key in the container number and the seal number. You need to pick up a random seal for it and key in the number over here. We only need one seal, so ignore the seal number 2. And if you already select the sales order, you will see it right here. And now it's time to select the search booking. You need to pick out the white booking. And we just saw it. We're working on this, but this booking is not for 21st. So you need to kind of course check everything. And then once you select the booking, you pick use selected booking. You click the button. I don't want to do it here because I don't want to mess up our actual ship out, because this is only a demo. So I would do cancel. If you once you do the actual when you're doing the actual ship out, you click that, all this information is going to automatically pop out. So you do save, and It's again, I didn't put in anything, so it's going to ask like, are you sure you want to save? So we just say yes to bypass it. And see, this is all the information that you will key in, or it will automatically populate. And next is like we kind of keep the ticket open. That's how you keep the ticket open for your halfway. Just click save and close, keep ticket open, and that's it. It will automatically pop it back to the scale hopper. All right. And now we assume that it's time to get the heavyweight. We double click it. Be sure you're on ship out. We double click it, and then we get the heavyweight. How you get the heavyweight? It's like you double click that ticket. See, you go back to the screen. That's what we see. And then you click the S button under heavyweight. It will pop out a window again. And you just need to select the weight for the for this low. And after you select the weight, next it will auto populate back in here. And then you need to close out the current ticket because you already have all the good information. So before you close out the ticket, always go back here and check if you get everything done. And then you go save and close. You want to print a set of the ticket for the trucker. You click here, document set will print. Keep ticket open for another big scale weight. You need to click this button. It's not because you need to get another scale weight. It's because we don't want to complete the ticket. We need to save all the ship out ticket at the scale house level. So you click that. And you will see a printout. We don't want to hang out too many paperwork and two trees. That's why we don't hang out this bill of lading ticket. We hang out this shipping ticket. And then you can just print. Actually, give it a print. That's the printer button. And then click OK to actually print a physical copy. And remember, if you have to print the previous ticket, you also have to do this because it will only print what's in front of you, what you're having here. It will not print both documents at the same time. One thing to pay attention is like during the ship out, you always have to go by the order if that we have more than one vendor to help us to haul out the truck, because you don't want like somebody actually they come in a third and then they cut the second person. It's going to have like argument in between here and there, and that's something to pay attention. And also be sure to verify with the trucker and verify your paperwork, which booking that you're shipping out, and also be sure to ship out the correct information, the correct material of the container. Direct them to the right spot. Check the booking and before you do any of your selection, and be sure you select the correct items and the correct booking. Very, 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 very important. And if that's you're not clear on anything, feel free to call 103 internal extension for logistics for exact information. And if you make any mistake, please also call 103 or Haley so we can help you to correct your weight ticket.